Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 77 Ford F350 wrecker. This wrecker was sold new in Murdo, South Dakota. I bought it from the museum out there when they acquired the building next to them. The wrecker came with it. So been in Murdo, South Dakota its whole life. There you can see got a little ding there, obviously some faded paint, but just really cool to see an old wrecker like this. Still has the owner's manual for the pickup and the wrecker. So pretty solid truck. As you can see, it was Dean 66 service, Murdo, South Dakota. Both cab corners are a little rusty. That's really the only bad spots. Interior, obviously original. You can see it needs a seat cover and a headliner in it. 4-speed. There's your PTO. Shows 70,151. I have no documentation on the miles, but certainly could be original being a record. There's a little rust right there too, but there's a sticker for the vehicle certification. So like I said, no more wrecker body on it. There's, you can see the PTO with the chain. So it's complete. I have not tried it. There's an air compressor also. I have not tried that either, so I don't know if it works. This side really not as much rust down there on the floor, but I haven't gone underneath it to see the floors. But pretty solid old truck, and just really cool if you're into nostalgia. Here's a nostalgia wrecker with still the writing on the doors. You won't want to do anything to it. So any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.